I made $11,572 in commissions with affiliate marketing just in 15 days. In this video, I'm going to reveal my Instagram affiliate marketing strategy that you can copy to start earning thousands of dollars using free traffic. I'll break down step by step how I used Instagram to drive traffic and convert views into commissions. Even if you are starting with zero budget or experience, I'll share the exact type of content that worked for me and you can replicate this. Okay, this method is simple, it's working, and it's completely free to start. Now let's dive in. For people who don't know affiliate marketing, it's super easy business that you guys can start. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services using a unique link, and when someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's super easy and simple. So first, to start this business, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. This is my dashboard and this is my commission, and just last month you should know that I made $17,975 in commissions, and it's paid in this month. Okay, so commission that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, in the first days of the first of the next month. Okay, so it's super easy and simple. Anyway, let's go back to our affiliate account dashboard. So for people who want to start this business, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website, click on the first link, sign up using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one. You just need to use your email address and that's it. So you just need to come to this page after you finish your sign up process and scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you guys can start with $0, and it's profitable. Okay, anyway, go back to this home page here, click on join now, and that's how we can create an affiliate account with Fiverr. So you just need, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You guys can see here, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no. Choose your country. You can start this business from any country, from United States, from United Kingdom, from Australia, from Canada, Nigeria, India, any country. Okay, so country, it doesn't matter, you can start this business from any country. Okay, you need to choose your language from here and put your Skype account here if you have Skype account. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will start promoting using free traffic from Instagram. So what you need to do next, pay close attention. I'm gonna share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Instagram, and I'm still promoting this service until today. Okay, it's a profitable service that will be never saturated. Okay, so pay close attention. Go back to your homepage on Fiverr and search for this service. Search for Instagram. Okay, Instagram promotion. Search for this service. So we will promote services related to Instagram because we will use Instagram. So we will promote services related to Instagram, services that can help people who are using Instagram to grow their Instagram account, to grow their businesses on Instagram, to increase their followers, and so much more. So this service is a very profitable service for you that you can start with. Search for Instagram promotion, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Choose like top rated sellers or pro sellers or level 2 sellers. Those sellers are good sellers for you that you can choose to promote them as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. So let's scroll down and choose one of those sellers. For example, I'm gonna choose like I will do music promotion source on Instagram. Okay, let me see. We have here one pro seller. You guys can see this one. He has over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $100. I will promote, manage, and grow your Instagram page organically. This one is good. I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see this seller is providing 5% of the first discounts of the first order, which is really good. You guys can see here. This is good. This is really good. So I will scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see the seller is top rated seller and it's pro seller, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers, and he know exactly how to grow Instagram account and how to increase followers organically, which is really good. And this is the proof. Look how many reviews, over 4,000 reviews, which is really good. Look how many orders in queue, 149 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers, which is really good. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy the link of the seller. Just follow those steps. Copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to start promoting this affiliate link on Instagram. But first we need to create an Instagram reel that we will use. So pay close attention. Go back to this seller profile page and scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good. Let's check his video.
Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr. In this gig, we will help you grow your Instagram account and we will do.
So this seller is making a video which is really good, and he is talking about how he can help people grow their Instagram accounts and increase their followers and engagement organically, and they will get a real followers. And he explaining and giving more details about his service, which is really good. Okay, what I will do, I will double click on the video and I will click on save video. I will save this video to my laptop. Okay, like I'm gonna name this video Instagram like this, and I will click on save. What I will do next is I will go back to Google and I will search for Canva. I will search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video and click on Instagram reel. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, you see this? Super easy and simple. Click on upload. Just click on upload and click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, super easy. Let me show you how you can do it. Just click here on upload file. Okay, and I'm gonna upload the video here. Click on open like this, and here you go. Click on your video like this, and your video will be over here, and just make the video like this. Okay, and click on the background, click on background color and choose black color like this, and click here on text. Okay, scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just make sure to use a good one that looks clear and good. Okay, I'm gonna delete the second one, decrease the font size of this text. I will put this text here, double click and write this sentence: check link in my bio. Okay, you will put your affiliate link in your Instagram bio. Okay, and here you go. So people who will watch this reel and people who are interested to grow their Instagram account, they will see this check link in my bio. We will put our affiliate link in our Instagram bio. I can put this one over here too, and here you go. I have an Instagram reel video that I can use to promote this service.
And welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr. In this gig,
you guys can see what I will do next. I will click on share and I will click on download, and this Instagram reel will be downloading to my laptop. And what I will do next, I will go and I will open an Instagram business account, okay, and I will start publishing those reels. And in my Instagram bio, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business, like I said in my last videos, for over 5 years, and I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here and go to Instagram and put your affiliate link in your bio. So if you want to promote a lot of services, of course, you will need to create an affiliate website, and inside your affiliate website, you can put all those services that you want to promote on Instagram, okay? So when people click on your affiliate link in your bio, they will be directly in your affiliate website, and they will find all the services that you are promoting, and they can choose which service they want to buy. And if they click on your link, they will be directly in this seller profile page. If they buy this one, this service from you, you earn a commission. It's super easy and simple, okay? Let me show you how much you will earn. If we go back to this Fiverr affiliate account, and if we scroll down, you have here pro services, okay? You see this? You will earn 17% of the first order, a CPA of 17% of the intentional purchase amount, and you will keep making 10, you will keep earning 10% of the future orders, meaning that if this one will buy this service, the first person who will buy this service from you, you will earn, for the first order, you will earn 17%. This person, if he keeps buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep making 10% of every transaction this person will make on Fiverr, which makes this business really a profitable business. 17%. Let me show you exactly how much you will earn, okay? I will go back to this seller profile page. Let's start with the basic. A lot of people can buy this package, okay, this basic. Some people can buy this one, and some people can buy this one, premium. Let's choose just this one, okay? We have here $95, okay? You see this? Let's see how much you will earn, okay? I'm gonna copy this, and let's go to ChatGPT and ask him how much is 17% of $95, okay, like this, and I will click here. So you can get a clear idea. This business is really a profitable business. You guys can see. So 17% of $95 is 66 and 50 cents dollar, okay, $66. You can make so much money just with one person will buy the service from you. You will earn $66, which is really a profitable, okay? It's free traffic. So here is also how we can get people who will be interested to buy the service from you. You guys can also go and open your Facebook account, okay, and just go to the search for Instagram. You have here filters. If you scroll down, you have groups, okay, click on groups. We need Facebook groups. If you scroll down like this, you have a lot of groups here that you can use, okay? Inside those groups, you will find people who are interested to grow their Instagram account. For example, let's check this one as an example, Instagram followers. I will click on this group. I will be directly in this group. If I scroll down, let me show you. If we scroll down here, you guys can see I need some real Instagram followers. This person search for Instagram, they need Instagram real followers. You see this? If we scroll down, here is another person. Let's be must on Instagram. This one also will be interested to get this service from you. If we scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who want to grow their Instagram accounts. You see, I need Instagram followers. You scroll down, send Instagram. Let's scroll down. You see, people are sharing their Instagram account. Look at this one, for example. I follow back. This person wants to grow his Instagram account. That's why he is posting this post on Facebook, okay? He wants to grow. Let's go. And if we go even, let's copy this name. Let's copy his name, okay? And if we go to Instagram, let me show you. I'm showing you how you can find people who will be interested. Those people are your audience. You see this? And here you go. This is his account. You see this? This one can be interested to buy Instagram promotion service from you. You see? You will find a lot of people in this Facebook groups. You see this? You have a lot of people here who will be interested to buy this service from you, and that's it. This is exactly how we can promote affiliate links on Instagram, and this is the exact method that I used to make a thousand of dollars with affiliate marketing, promoting Instagram promotion services to those people. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And like I said, if you find people here who are interested, you guys can copy their Instagram name and go to Instagram. You can click here on message and you can send to those people a professional and friendly message with your affiliate link. Okay, you can use ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and ask him create a let me show you. Create a professional message that I can send to people on Instagram to buy my Instagram promotion service from my website link, for example. And they will click like this. I will get a professional message that I can use. You see this? Okay, and here you go. This is a professional message that you can copy and send to those people. I noticed you are building a great presence on Instagram. If you are looking to grow your audience, boost engagement, or promote your brand, I offer a highly effective Instagram promotion service. And here you go what I offer: targeted audience growth, increase visibility and engagement, a real result to scale your reach. Check out my service here and put your affiliate link here and send this message to those people. That's it. If you can't make commissions using this method, the problem is you, because I shared with you everything. You have everything now. You have everything. You just need to start. You just need to learn marketing. It's all about marketing. It's all about how do you provide those services to those customers? How do you promote those services to those customers? Okay? It's all about marketing, because I shared with you the audience that will be interested to buy those services from you, how we can create content, and how we can get your affiliate link, and how we can get free traffic. You don't need to invest any money in paid ads. Those people will be, you have already your targeted audience here on Facebook groups and on Instagram, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description. Inside my course, you will get access to all my profitable services I'm promoting, how you can create content, and how you can create content, and how you can scale your affiliate marketing business, how you can find people who will be interested, because I'm not using will be interested, how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you. And you cannot use just Instagram. I'm using YouTube shorts, YouTube long videos, I'm using Instagram reels, I'm using Pinterest, and I'm using TikTok, and so much more. Inside my course I have put everything there. You can, if you want to save time and avoid mistakes that I made, you can learn from this course. Okay, it's gonna change your life if you want to take this business seriously. And that's it. You can reach out to me, feel free, and see you in my next videos.